Hi everyone, welcome back to another App IQ video, and in this video I'm going to show you where to find your viewer history. Now if you see the feet icon at the top of your screen to the right, this shows your view history. This shows the pattern, it shows the tracks, it shows the trails that people have left on your account, literally. So you're going to tap on that and this will pull up your viewer history. Currently, I have mine turned off, but you can always turn that on. And once you do so, every account that has viewed your profile, you'll be able to see who they are specifically. Below, this is telling you that others will see that you viewed their profile in the last 30 days, and people who you follow will see that you viewed their post within 7 days of the post date. Also, only you can see your viewer history, and people who turn on their viewer history setting and view your profile in the last 30 days, it will be shown. And this is reminding you at the bottom that you can turn this off at any time. So that is it. Very easy and very simple.